Hello everyone, today I'm really proud to inform you all that we have a bucket of students from different field, different profession, from different companies of India as well as abroad. So here are the list of the companies from where the working professionals are joining RBI for the preparation of CFA and FRM, which include the top banks of India. It includes the both public banks as well as the private banks, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Bank of India. We have the student from Big Four, ENY, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC. They are the one who have lots of interest towards the financial courses and they want to do something else along with their mainstream which they have done earlier. Some of the students have completed their CA, some of them completed their MBA, some of them completed their engineering. Now they are entering into the field of finance. Students from top investment banking firm which includes the companies like Barclays, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Credit Suisse, Moody, Fitch. Students from top mutual funds like HDFC Mutual Funds, Axis Mutual Funds, as well as working professionals from top stockbroking firms like Kotak Securities, HDFC Securities are all the part of RBI family. They are doing their CFA and FRM courses under the umbrella of RBI under my mentorship because they understand what extra we are providing to our student. They are getting something which they are not getting in any other coaching institute. We are the only one who can confidently say, at least in the beginning, we can confidently say that my student is going to pass because we work hard on every individual student, and this makes me confident enough that if I am working hard on my student, definitely my student is going to pass. Okay, yes, I can say this with a very high probability, but at least we try our best to make our student to pass the examination. We work on the mistakes of every individual students. We allow students to make the mistakes before the exam, but not on the day of examination. We take regular updates on each and every students. We have the update what our students are doing, how many chapters they have actually completed. We never leave the student. It's not our policy just to give the videos and leave it up to the student. No, from the day one when you are joining RBI, you are the responsibility of the RBI, and RBI team knows how to tackle the responsibility, how to ensure that student is also working hard towards the preparation. A proper plan will be there for every student, proper schedule will be there for every student, regular test will be there that will be completely mentored by me, that will be completely reviewed by me. So if you want to prepare for CFA and FRM, just talk to me. We understand the needs of the students and we work on that particular needs and requirement. So contact me. My contact details are given in the description box. Just click on the link and talk to me via WhatsApp. If you want to start your FRM or CFA preparations from the scratch, or if you're already doing your preparation and you are not satisfied with your current preparation and now you want to prepare from scratch again, okay, or you might have given the examination before and unable to clear your examination, just talk to me. I'll be trying to find out some possible way out to ensure that you will be able to clear your exam in first attempt. Just message me now.